When it comes to connecting your devices, not all cables are created equal. Monoprice's 8K HDMI cables stand out by combining exceptional build quality with advanced technology, ensuring you get the most from your entertainment setup. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or enjoying VR, these cables deliver a reliable, high-performance connection every time. One of the biggest concerns when buying cables is durability and trust. Monoprice removes that worry by backing every cable with a lifetime warranty. This means you're not just purchasing a product, you're investing in peace of mind, knowing the company stands firmly behind its craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. Bandwidth matters more than ever. These cables support an impressive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, which means they handle the most demanding data loads without hiccups. That's crucial for preventing handshake issues, screen flickering, or any other interruptions that can ruin your viewing experience. If you've ever blamed your hardware for glitches, these cables might just solve those problems. What really sets these cables apart is their full support for high bandwidth features like dynamic HDR. This technology adjusts the picture on a scene-by-scene or even frame-by-frame basis, enhancing depth, brightness, and color accuracy. The result? Every moment on screen looks exactly as the creators intended, with vivid detail and lifelike contrast. If you're upgrading to the latest display tech, the Monoprice cables support 8K resolution at 60 Hz. That means ultra-sharp images with smooth motion, perfect for fast-paced sports, high-performance gaming, and virtual reality experiences. You'll notice the difference in clarity and responsiveness, making your screen come alive like never before. Audio quality is just as important, and these cables deliver there too. Featuring EARC, or Enhanced Audio Return Channel, they support the most advanced sound formats available. This includes object-based audio, which creates a multidimensional soundscape that feels immersive and natural. Whether it's a movie soundtrack or a gaming environment, the audio precision adds a new layer of depth to your setup. Users across the United States consistently praise Monoprice cables for their reliability and quality. Many report that these cables perform exactly as expected, without any drop in signal or quality over time. That kind of consistent performance is what makes Monoprice a trusted name in home entertainment. If you're looking to upgrade your home theater or gaming rig, these cables offer clear benefits. You get future-proof compatibility with 8K and dynamic HDR, superior audio support with EARC, and the confidence of a lifetime warranty. These features combine to deliver a seamless, high-quality experience that enhances every frame and sound. Worth a look if you want to avoid the frustration of unreliable cables that cause glitches or limit your device's potential. Monoprice's offering is designed to meet the demands of modern technology and deliver a hassle-free connection that lasts. Midway through your upgrade journey, consider how much smoother your experience could be with cables that don't just meet but exceed industry standards. These cables prevent common issues like handshake failures and signal drops, so you can focus on what really matters, enjoying your content without interruption. Monoprice doesn't just promise quality, they prove it. The lifetime warranty is a testament to their confidence and commitment to customers. If that's you, someone who values reliability and top-tier performance, these cables are a smart choice. To sum it up, Monoprice's 8K HDMI cables are built for today's demanding entertainment needs. They combine high bandwidth, dynamic HDR, and advanced audio support into one dependable package. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or a tech enthusiast, these cables help you unlock the full potential of your devices. If you want sharper images, smoother motion, and richer sound, upgrading your cables is a simple step that makes a big difference. Try Monoprice when you're ready to experience a connection that truly supports your gear and enhances your viewing and listening experience. Don't settle for less when your entertainment depends on flawless performance. With Monoprice, you get what you pay for: quality, durability, and cutting-edge features that keep your setup running at its best for years to come. In the world of HDMI cables, it's easy to overlook how much they impact your overall experience. Monoprice puts that front and center by delivering cables that combine technology and reliability in one package, backed by a lifetime warranty. Your devices deserve cables that keep up with their capabilities. Whether it's the stunning visuals of 8K at 60 Hz or the immersive sound made possible by EARC, these cables ensure you don't miss a beat or a pixel. If you're ready to upgrade your home entertainment system with cables that offer real benefits and proven performance, Monoprice's 8K HDMI cables are worth considering. They provide a reliable connection that enhances your viewing and listening experience while protecting your investment. Take the guesswork out of your cable choice. With Monoprice, you get a product that's trusted by users nationwide and supported by a warranty that lasts a lifetime. That's confidence you can count on every time you plug in.